Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the workspace and loosening edges. Place the case on a soft cloth to avoid scratches, then identify the seam between the silicone shell and the hard case. Using a thin nylon pick or plastic pry tool, gently insert at the seam and wiggle to create an initial gap. This reduces stress on clips. Once done, move slowly around the perimeter. You want to separate the layers without forcing or puncturing the inner foam or electronics. Now you focus on the clip points and controlled peeling. Start at the hinge but avoid prying the hinge itself. Instead, shift to the nearest clip and pry a little, then hold that section open. Move to a side clip and repeat. This alternating method keeps tension low and prevents snapping. As clips release, use your thumb to grip and roll the hard shell away from the silicone. Make sure to keep the shell aligned so internal components are not tugged or twisted. Finish by removing the last clipped sections and inspecting internals. Once the shell comes off, check for lint or residue and clean with a microfiber cloth. Avoid liquids near ports. To reinstall, align the lip, press along the seam evenly until you hear clips engage. Don't force individual points. If a clip resists or the silicone is stiff, use a low hairdryer setting for a few seconds to soften it, and then try again. If anything bends or cracks, stop and seek professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.